Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Want to dive into Clash of Clans on your Windows 7 laptop, but without using Bluestacks? Many players prefer the big screen experience and the precision of a mouse and keyboard. It truly makes a difference in those intense battles and base building sessions. While Clash of Clans is a mobile game, there are definitely ways to bring it to your PC. Let's explore how you can get started, giving you that enhanced gameplay experience. The main reason it's not as simple as clicking an install button is that Supercell, the game's developer, hasn't released a direct Windows 7 version of Clash of Clans. It's built from the ground up for Android and iOS operating systems. This means to play it on your computer, you usually need something that mimics an Android phone environment. This is where Android emulators traditionally come into the picture, providing that necessary bridge. Since Bluestacks might not be your preferred choice, there are several other excellent Android emulators that work well on Windows 7. You could explore options like Nox Player, LD Player, or even MemuPlay. These alternatives allow you to download and run Clash of Clans, just like on a mobile device. Always remember to check their system requirements to ensure they are a good fit for your computer setup. Once you have your emulator installed, taking a few moments to optimize its settings can significantly improve your Clash of Clans experience. Adjusting options like processor cores and RAM allocation can help the game run much smoother on your Windows 7 machine. Make sure to customize your keyboard and mouse controls for intuitive play. This lets you move troops, cast spells, and manage your base more precisely, making every battle feel more engaging. As we look towards 2025, it's always smart to stay updated. Keep an eye on your chosen emulator's official website for the latest versions. These often bring performance improvements and new features. Participating in online communities, like forums or Discord groups, can also provide valuable insights and help with Windows 7 specific issues. This ensures you can continue enjoying Clash of Clans on your laptop for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.